Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, a little bit of a slow day on gold, but it is starting to work its way up. I was thinking that the wave A was already over, and we're in three waves of B, like I was explaining in my morning video that you can check out. We really can't rule out the possibility of this actually just being a pullback to this wave down. We really cannot deny that the 4 hour time frame at least has turned down, and possibly the daily is trying to turn down also. So if this does make a 1, 2, 3 way pattern up to one of these Fibonacci retracement, then a nice aggressive turn to the downside, it may actually go down and make a lower high and go down and make new lower lows. I personally think that we're in a wave B, and if we really are in a wave B, then it should go up and take up these highs. So I would not really try to short it in a big way unless it's very aggressive turn, preferably break a structure at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.